station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. This week, a new space plant growth experiment was kicked off, water bears were brought out of hibernation, and we're getting closer to the upcoming launch of the largest module to the space station yet. On Monday, NASA astronaut Shane Kimbrough began work on the Plant Habitat 4 experiment, which involves growing peppers in space for the first time ever. Peppers are more difficult to cultivate than many previous space crops because they take longer to germinate, grow, and develop fruit. This investigation is part of ongoing efforts to establish ways to grow food crops on long-duration space missions. Plant Habitat 4 could help advance the technology on Earth for growing plants in controlled indoor environments and use significantly less water. And on Tuesday, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Aki Hoshide began scientific work on water bears. The Cell Science 4 experiment involves tardigrades, also known as water bears, due to their appearance under a microscope and common habitat in water. Tardigrades are tiny creatures that tolerate extreme environments. Cell Science 4 characterizes the molecular biology of short-term and multi-generational survival of water bears, identifying the genes involved in adaptation and survival in high-stress environments. The results could advance understanding of the stress factors affecting humans in space and support the development of effective countermeasures. The International Space Station is about to get a little bigger thanks to a new Russian module launching soon. The Russian multi-purpose logistic module named Nauka is currently scheduled to launch on Wednesday, July 21st on a Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. MLM will dock to the nadir port of the Russian segment of the station and will be the largest module ever launched to the space station. Both operations will be shown live on NASA TV, so be sure to tune in. Also launching with MLM is the European robotic arm, which will serve as the main manipulator on the Russian side of the space station. The arm has the ability to perform many tasks automatically or semi-automatically, can be directed both inside and outside the station, and can be controlled in real time or pre-programmed. The arm can help install, deploy, and replace elements in space, saving the crew time and effort on station maintenance. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. Do you have a question for us? #AskNASA. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.